Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Enigma and Sunshine. Today again we have on the table is a 92 FS Beretta, but we are comparing two different types of self-defense ammo, personal defense ammo. This is a SIG Sauer and so both are hollow points, and this one is a 124 grain jacketed hollow point. It says personal defense ammunition, so it's 124 grain, not the 115 regular ones, slightly heavier. And we're gonna compare it to Hornady. This one is a critical duty, and this one is 135 grain flex lock. Again, it's a kind of a hollow point, and this is a comparison. These are these are brand new and these are slightly older, so the brass has decolorized a little bit. So 135 grain, 124 grain, hollow points, personal defense ammo, critical duty. Alright, I'm gonna load them up and we'll be shooting 10 rounds of each. We'll see the recoil, then we have some media to test. I'll be shooting through some wood. I have some pieces of wood and we will see how these will perform. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go with the SIG Sauer first, 124 grain, and this was actually my first time shooting this ammo. I've never shot this one before. I think years ago I have tried the Hornady once, but this is the first time for the SIG Sauer. 10 rounds. So I'll be shooting that cardboard target over there from 5 yards. It's actually gonna be raining very soon, so it's pretty dark in the sky right now, but we'll see. All right, jacketed hollow points. Ooh, this one has a little kick in compared to the 115 grains. Okay. I'm all over the place, shooting low, and all right. So nevertheless, I'm gonna be flipping the target, and we're gonna go with the 135 grain Hornady, and I'll try to aim slightly higher, and we'll see how good I can hit this thing. Alright, so 135 grain flex tip Hornady into action now. Alright, I'll be aiming slightly higher and I will go slow. Okay, the group is better than before in compared to the SIG Sauer, but not impressive. It's not bad, if you know, but it's not the best of the one I can shoot. But I prefer this 135 grain Hornady over the SIG Sauer. Wasn't happy with the SIG Sauer. I think I prefer the Hornady. I'm gonna go a few more rounds, 10 each, and let's see if I can change my mind. Alright, so again I have the 124 grain SIG Sauer jacketed hollow points, and I'll be shooting through that piece of wood. It's a thick piece of wood, about 1.5 inch thick, and let's see if I can penetrate that. Ooh. All right, first one in. fired 10 shots. And everyone has gone through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, again, I think these are 2 shots. Okay, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wasn't trying to make a group or anything. I was just trying to see if it will go through. This is about 1.5 inch thick wood. I'm gonna be loading up the Hornady now, 135 grain, and we will repeat that. All right, 135 grain Hornady, and first one in. So I've fired 5 shots. I only put 5 in it this time, and my group is better. All of them have gone through, and like I was saying before, I'm liking this Hornady better than the SIG SAUER. SIG SAUER was good, but to me, my taste, my liking is the Hornady. I'm happy with the Hornady. Alright, so I'm gonna be adding a little bit more wood to it, and we will see if it can penetrate again. So there will be another 1.5 inch piece of wood in front this time. Okay friends, so I have another 1.5 inch. This is a 3/4 inch plywood, 2 pieces. I have zip tied them together, and so it's gonna be together like this. And I have 10 rounds into it. The first 5 gonna be the SIG SAUER, and the next 5 gonna be the Hornady. So the first one is in. I'm roughly about 3 yards, and the first one in, SIG SAUER. The SIG SAUER is not bad right now. From 3 yards, it's pretty much coming into a group. 3, 4, and 5. Pretty nice group. Okay, so Hornady this time, 135 grains. Wow, all 5 are in one hole. Yeah. This is SIG SAUER. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this we already know it's gonna go through, and let's see the back side of this one. And everyone has gone through. Okay, very good, impressive. All right, so this was a little fun test, kind of the Hornady versus SIG SAUER personal protection. I mean, I don't have a gel block to do a test. I don't have a meat target. You know, there is a guy named Paul Harold, he uses that. I don't have anything like that, but this is how I do my fun videos. I hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.